All right, so I'm super excited because we get to talk about the Divine Collision, which is Felicia's line that she designs. If you look at them, they are totally different. She takes and adds and changes. We have several types of jeans, and no two are exactly the same. They may be similar, but they are not the same. Let me show you. So we're going to go through a few pairs. So you think when you look at it, but no, it is not. This is what Felicia does. She is fabulous at designing these. These items can be found in the store at the Union City location or on FeliciaBella.com. So make sure to join our Felicia Bella Facebook page and Felicia Bella Union City, and go to FeliciaBella.com to see the latest that Felicia designs. I'm going to show you a couple more. This is some of their newest. Oh my gosh, turquoise and brown. Look at all that. And look at the patterns. The different textures that she puts on these jeans are amazing. So you've got to make sure that you get on there and pick your size, because they're going to be gone. And if you are a size, let's see what this is. This is a size 14. So you will be the only one size 14 that has these jeans. Don't we like to be unique, ladies? Yes, we do. So make sure to go to FeliciaBella.com or Felicia Bella on the Facebook page and like it and shop away, and let's be unique.